Now we are still on the leadership, the principles of action, how you're going to operate, like what is it that governs you in your business or in an idea that you are having. Okay, remember, you have to formulate a vision, and your vision should be brief and very clear. Let it be short, let it be short and precise, at least a maximum of 7 words. It will be clear and loud, and it must be challenging, and it must focus on the future. That image that you are having in your mind, let it be something that you want to accomplish in the future. Let it be a little bit longer, and make sure that it is desirable and have the ability to inspire, and stress values that are important for the receiver. Make sure that whatever that you're going to be rendering, the service that you'll be rendering, or the product that you are giving to consumer or customers, make sure that it's something that they stress about. They are so eager to have it, and depict a positive and general or abstract image of the projected product, service, and or organization. Can stress differences to your competitors. Make sure that in your business, when you're formulating a vision, make sure that your vision can stress those people that you're competing with. Let's say, for instance, you are in poultry farming. Make sure that your visions, when your competitors see them, they are stressful to them. It's a challenge to them, okay? Make the eyes of your receivers sparkle when you're formulating your vision, the vision of your example. Here is an example of a vision to refresh the world. Imagine if you were selling a soft drink, and this is your simple vision, just to refresh the world, the world, okay? And there's this other slogans that I know that says quench the thirst. It's also around soft drink products. Yes, you come up with visions like this, simple visions. You use less words, and it should be clear in your lesser words, okay? And when you're developing a vision, the main question that your vision can deal with: what do you want to achieve with your product, service, or organization? What is it? In your NPO or the business you are in, or the service you're going to render, or the product that you're going to sell, what is it that you want to achieve with it? Okay, what do you offer, and what is special about your product or service? What is that unique feature about your business, your service, your product? Okay, what makes your product, service, or organization superior to your competitors? Okay, those are the things that you should look into. Okay, so there is a part, again, after you have derived a vision, there's a part in your business plan that it should be included, which is the mission statement. A mission in an organization, or in a business, or in the services that you are offering, it helps you. When you have a mission, it helps you to achieve your. And now we are on the strategic management. Okay, what is strategic management about? Strategic management, it is a way of determining a direction for the business to survive and grow the environment, okay? Getting a competitive advantage, that is the strategic management. And monitoring the environment, what type of competitors, consumers, suppliers, employees are out there. Then you implement your strategy for the business, okay? We're still continuing on what is strategic management about. Okay, there are 4 general strategic approach. Okay, the price leader, the quality of your product or your service. Okay, offer unique attributes, e.g. insulated paper cup, camera in cell phone, mp3 player in cell phone, special design, and all new product or services. Okay, make sure in your strategic management, make sure that your price is very reasonable and your price is equivalent to the quality that you're offering, the quality of your service or of the product. Okay, and it is very, 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 very important to find a suitable, to find a niche for your business. And when you find a niche, you're automatically going to avoid copying other businesses. Niche is a suitable environment where you can grow faster, you can grow your business, or environment where your business can thrive, or an industry in which you can go into. Maybe you say, I want to go to farming, I want to go to do poultry farming, stuff like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.